Welcome back in this video. We will install the Bootstrap for autocomplete plugin. Okay, so Bootstrap for autocomplete plugin is also very awesome plugin. Okay, so now let's go to preferences. Now click on package control. Now click on again install package. Okay, and here again wait. Okay, and here add Bootstrap for not 3. Okay, autocomplete. Okay, and you can also install Bootstrap 3 snippets plugin and Bootstrap 3 autocomplete. Okay, but right now Bootstrap 4 is the latest version. Okay, so we don't need to install the Bootstrap 3 plugin. Okay, because Bootstrap 4 is the latest version. Okay, so now Bootstrap 4 autocomplete is installed. Okay, so now let's move on to the use of Bootstrap 4 autocomplete. Okay, so here add, let's say, division tag, and here add a class, let's say btn. You can see here here we have the Bootstrap for autocomplete. Okay, you can see here button, btn block, btn danger, btn group, btn info, btn lg. Okay, a lot of classes we have. Okay, and the autocomplete. Okay, so template, your Bootstrap for template. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, Bootstrap. Okay, btn group lg. Okay, again division tag, let's say class success. Okay, alert success. Okay, so basically this as a Bootstrap autocomplete plugin. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, installation and the use is very easy. Okay, so if you have any issue and the usage of this plugins, you can add your question and the Q&A area. Okay, and I will give you the response. Okay, so for now, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.